I want to create intentional change because it transforms good intentions into meaningful action that fosters understanding and connection for all of us.
I'm often quoted as saying, it's not about me, it's about we. I'm just here to give you the information and tools on how to show up and be the best person and be the best ally you can be. One of the most powerful things you will do in your lifetime is tell somebody that they are seen, they're heard, they matter, and they're respected. I can't tell you enough the impact that that makes. We need diversity of thought in the world to face new challenges. The most inventive ideas have come out of rooms with diverse voices that challenge one another, that listen empathetically and share their thoughts and perspectives. You must practice intentional unlearning, speak up for yourself and speak up for others, and uplift people around you. This is a power that you all are sitting on. When you use that power, you make people feel safe, you make people feel wanted, and you just might save a life. You have to start using your power, speaking up and showing up. Communities need you. They need you to see them, to hear them. It's something we all want. It's ongoing work. And your voice and you showing up moves things forward. I want you all to go out and be great and show up for people when they need you. I just want to see you all thrive in a world that respects each and every one of you. Thank you so much, Laura.